If you have been using HighLevel for a while, or maybe you've just been curious about switching to it, this video is going to absolutely blow your mind. Now, here's the truth. Most people will sign up for HighLevel. Even smart business owners are only using about 20% of what this platform can actually do. They are sending emails, they are building funnels, maybe scheduling appointments, but there are so many hidden tools baked inside of HighLevel that can completely transform the way you run your business. These aren't just random nice to haves. These are the kinds of tools that saves you hundreds of dollars every single month and hours of every single week. Now, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the most powerful hidden features inside HighLevel that most users, most almost completely overlook. But once you know them, you realize why HighLevel isn't just another CRM. It is the engine that can actually automate and grow your business faster than anything else out there. So whether you are a coach, an agency owner, a freelancer, or a small business owner trying to juggle leads, clients, and marketing, all these hidden gems are about to make your life so much easier. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll probably be saying, wait, what? HighLevel can do that too? All right, let's dive right in. Let's start with one of my absolute favorites and one that still surprises people. That's the mixed call text back feature. Now, picture this. A potential client calls your business number while you are in a meeting or at lunch, or maybe you're just having one of those crazy days. You miss the call, and that's it. They move on. You've probably lost that lead forever. Now, multiply that by a few times a week or even a few times a day. That's real money slipping through the cracks. But with HighLevel's missed call text back automation, that story changes completely. Now, as soon as somebody calls your number and miss it, HighLevel automatically sends them a personalized text message. Something as simple as, "Hey, sorry we missed your call. How can we help you today?" That one little text keeps the conversation alive. It makes your business look responsive, professional, and human, even when you are nowhere near your phone. And the magic is that you can go beyond that. You can set up a workflow that says, if the person replies, tag them as hot lead. If they don't reply within 10 minutes, send a follow-up message with a booking link, or send an automated voicemail saying, "Hey, this is Victoria with your brand. Sorry I missed you. Here's how to book a quick chat." Like, you can literally turn missed calls into booked appointments without lifting a finger. And a pro tip here is that you can customize your reply tone to sound just like you. You can use emojis, friendly phrases, just make it personal. Personal to you or personal to your business. Most people don't even realize this feature exists. But honestly, if all HighLevel did was this, it would already pay for itself. Next up, and this one is a total sanity saver, the conversations inbox. Now, let's be real for a second. Running a business online these days means juggling a million inboxes. You've got Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, WhatsApp chats, emails, text messages, and clients actually expect you to reply immediately everywhere. You may currently be used to having like 4 tabs opened every morning just to check your messages. Now, everything comes into one single organized dashboard. The conversations inbox pulls in every message from every platform: SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Google Chat, even email, and puts them in one place. So this means that you are no more forgetting to reply your DM or losing track of a lead who messaged you last week. You can even assign chats to different team members if you've got team members. So if someone messages you at midnight, your automation can tag it, assign it to a team member, and reply instantly with your business hours or a booking link. And because it's all in one place, you can see the full conversation history, every text, every email, every reply. Like, It's a clean thread. It's like having a virtual assistant that organizes your entire communication system. And for agencies or freelancer, this is gold because clients love speed and organization. If you reply faster, you close faster. Imagine how much more peaceful your workday feels when you are not bouncing between 6 different inboxes. So basically, HighLevel turns this chaos into clarity for you and for your business. All right, let's talk about one of the most powerful and honestly underrated parts of HighLevel: workflows and triggers. Now, a lot of users know about workflows, but most people barely scratch the surface of what they can actually do. Now, think of HighLevel workflows as the brain of your business, connecting everything behind the scenes so that you don't have to. You can automate almost anything you can imagine. For example, when someone fills out a form, send them a personalized text and add them to your newsletter. Or when someone books a consultation, then send them a confirmation email, add them to your CRM pipeline, and then remind them 1 hour before. Or when a payment is made, then automatically send a thank you email and invite them to your private community. You can even chain automations together, creating a complete customer journey that runs on autopilot. And the best part, you can add conditional logic. This means that if they open the email, then send message A. If they don't open it, send message B. So your communication becomes intelligent, not just automated. It's like having Zapier, MailChimp, Calendly, and HubSpot all rolled into one. And this is how businesses go from reactive to proactive. HighLevel doesn't just save you time, it gives you your mental freedom back. And honestly, when you set it up right, it feels like your business is running itself. Now, let's move on to one of the most underrated tools in the entire platform: the built in membership and course builder. So, if you're a coach, a consultant, or a digital product creator, this one feature alone can replace multiple platforms that you might already be paying for. Now, you don't need Kajabi, Teachable, Thinkific, or Podia. HighLevel lets you build an entire course or membership system inside your CRM. You can upload your lessons and videos. You can organize them into modules. You can offer free or paid membership. You can even drip content over time, and you can track who is watching and completing your lessons. And the best part, everything is branded to you. Your logos, your colors, your checkout, it all lives inside your ecosystem. That means that when someone buys your course, they stay on your platform, not someone else's. Payments, logins, and emails are all integrated. You can literally go from idea to live course in a day. And if you've been paying $99 a month for a course host plus another $49 for payments integration, this feature alone can save you over $150 easily every month. And that's why I say HighLevel doesn't just give you tools, it gives you infrastructure. And finally, let's talk about what's new and exciting: HighLevel's AI powered features. This is where things get futuristic. You can now use AI to generate follow-up messages in your brand voice. You can use it to write persuasive emails or text replies automatically. You can even use it to personalize outreach based on lead behavior or campaign data. So if someone clicks your link, for example, but doesn't buy, AI can generate a re-engagement message tailored to that behavior automatically. It's like having an assistant who knows exactly what to say, when to say it, and how to say it without you having to write a single word or code. And when you pair this with the analytics dashboard, you are going to get insights that will help you optimize your entire funnel. There's no guessing, just data driven, AI powered marketing that scales with you. This is where HighLevel really steps into the future while most CRMs are still stuck in the past. Now, here's the thing: you could easily pay for 5 separate tools to get all these features and spend over $300 a month, or You could do it all in one place with one login, one dashboard, and one price. And that's the power of HighLevel. So if you are serious about growing your business this year, stop paying for tools that don't talk to each other. I've dropped my exclusive affiliate link in the description box below for you. It gives you a free 30-day trial so that you can test everything that I've shown you today risk free. And once you are in, you see exactly why I switch and why you need to switch. Now, if you want a full walkthrough of what the Go HighLevel platform looks like, then make sure to watch this video where I explained in depth everything that is included in the platform. And I'll see you there.